Start this video, I would just like to come on here and remind you guys that here at Melanin Eclectic, Black lives will always matter. And this is Black everything. Black people, Black culture, Black lives, Black careers, Black existence. We stand by my people, and if that bothers you, this might not be the channel for you. But let's get on with the video. Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel, and today I'm here with what I assume is the super late Fairyloot. So, this is the August 2020. Fairyloot is very much behind, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I'm just, excited, but the theme is let the games begin, and I do like that picture. So the first thing is, I assume it's a magnet. I don't know which way this is supposed to be. I think it's this way, and I think it's like the scythe thing. Focus. Yeah, I think that's what it is. We got another little baggie. Ooh, it's an enamel pen. It says, my current situation enamel pen, exclusive design by Iron and Ink Designs. It says, my current situation could be adequately described as suboptimal. Oh look, another baggie. So, oh, it's a Fairyloot exclusive metal bookmark designed by Tarot J. This one is sealed though. I really want to start making metal bookmarks. It says it was made in China too, so I wonder if they have a manufacturer, because Melanin Eclectic needs metal bookmarks. Oh, it's a Mr. Kindly one. It's a Never Night one. Look at Mr. Kindly. I just know this is Never Night. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Yep. Okay, this might, obviously I got a little hype. The realization of what it was. Ah, that's so cute. Okay. That is cute. Man. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, it's Mia and then like her shadow spirit. I still need to finish Dark Dawn. I haven't finished that yet. What's next? So next is this box, and it says the Golden Egg Bath Bomb, oatmeal, milk, and honey. Oh, it's got a lot of glitter. It's got a lot of glitter. It's already coming out. I don't even keep bath bombs from subscription boxes very long. I don't know how this glitter is going to be in my bathtub though. Like, you guys probably can't tell, but it is a lot of glitter, so I don't actually want to take it out. But I'm assuming it's a golden egg that, like from Harry Potter, from the 4th book, since that was where they played the game. So yeah, it's from Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. I need to look it up because I just want to make sure the glitter doesn't mess up my bathtub or my plumbing. The next thing is this. Is this a journal? I think it's a journal. Because it has, ooh, not a very nicely made journal, because the elastic is already pulling up the backing of the book, but the front cover says, monsters are only as real as the stories that grant them life, and they only live for as long as we tell those tales. Hunting Prince Dracula by Carrie Maniscalco. So that's what that looks like. And I do like the fact that they gave me in pages, and it's a journal. I love the paper. It's very smooth. The book binding itself is a little cheap, like the elastic. If you actually try to pull the elastic, it pulls the cardboard up where the elastic is located. So be very careful about that. But I think this is cute. I think this is the first time we've gotten a hardback journal like this from subscription boxes that I've had. I think this is the first time that I know what the tarot cards are. And we have 6 of Swords, which is clearly Mr. Kindly. And we have 5 of Swords, which is obviously Mia Corvere. This is the first time I've known what the tarot cards were, which is shocking. So, yeah, what's next? Who are they? Obviously, this is a very cushioned book cover. It is a Elias and Leia book sleeve. Why do their names sound so familiar? They've been giving a lot of book sleeves. This one feels very durable. It's got an extra lining on the inside, and it's got cushion that you can actually really feel. I've collected a lot of book sleeves too, but I do like it. I just don't know where they came from. Is this Ember in the Ashes? I don't know. We'll see when I look at the spoiler card. But next is the book. So wait, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. I think I got all the items in this box. Because I'm still sad I didn't get the tray from Lunar Chronicles. All right. I don't know what the book is. So we'll keep everything else in the thing. I just want to reveal the book. Come on, paper. Stop being so attached. I got another Star Daughter. Okay, so Owl Crate and wow. This is the first time I've gotten 2 editions of the same book in the Fairyloot boxes and stuff. Wow. So this one is still yellow like the original cover, but I think it's got more glitz and glam. So it has gold in pages. And let's see. It has a gorgeous dust jacket. Wow. That is beautiful. Wow. Okay, so what did I do with my other copy? Let me see. Which shelf did I put you on? I don't know what I did with the other copy, guys. Great. I put it somewhere, but I don't know where I put it. So, yeah, we have Star Daughter. I've already talked about Star Daughter in the Owl Crate unboxing, so I'm not going to, go into it again, but who did the art for these? She looks so real. It looks so good. I'm definitely keeping this as a print. I'm definitely keeping that as a print. Let's see. Spoiler card. So, it says, whilst you study ancient assassin tomes in the Red Church, make sure to use this Black as Night, Mia and Mr. Kindly bookmark. Obviously, Nevernight. The bath bomb was Harry Potter. The Aurora Rising pen. I haven't read Aurora Rising yet, so... the Prince Dracula hardcover notebook. The Scythe Magnet, I was right, by Neil Schusterman. Oh, it is Ember in the Ashes. Look at me! I'm knowing things in these boxes, okay? Tarot cards are obviously inspired by Nevernight as well. And then Star Daughter, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna give this version away. I still very much love the purple, but then at the same time, I might keep it because of the inside. So, I don't know. I might just have 2 copies because this one has a lot of glitter on it. I might just have 2 copies, y'all. I'm gonna be that person. Just have 2 copies. The next month's theme, technically this month, September's theme is Under the Sea. Hoist your sails and take a deep breath because this month we're going underwater. Land isn't safe, but it isn't safe down here either. You never know what monsters may lurk below the surface. Everything in this box will be inspired by the ocean and the creatures that you may find there. Some are friends and some are foes. You can expect items inspired by To Kill a Kingdom, The Little Mermaid, The Sea Witch, Atlantis, and more. We've got a bunch of very useful items in this box, and we are thrilled to reveal that this box will feature a ceramic mug with a beautiful illustration by Gabrielle Aguzzi. Gabrielle Ragusi. And then in our featured book of the month, a young girl must find her place and her family while trying to survive in a world made dangerous by the sea and by those who wish to profit from it. The Fairyloot edition will have a completely redesigned exclusive cover, sprayed edges, and signed by the author. It will also come with a beautiful author letter with artwork on it. Awesome. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping the artwork on this one. That's a definite. The bath bomb I will use as long as the glitter does not mess up my plumbing. The journal I think was the weakest thing in this box. I like the idea of it though. I do like a good embossed journal, so maybe I'll use it to write down some ideas, but it still wasn't the best. I actually know the tarot card characters. Actually, I lied. I feel like this magnet, the magnet is cool, but the problem is they pulled the protective plastic off of it already. So when it came to me, it's all scratched up and stuff. Still going on my fridge, but yeah. The enamel pin is cute. I need to get an enamel pin board just for bookish enamel pins. I do need to get one of those. The metal bookmark is my favorite of this box. And I know this is weird, but like this print that's on the letter and the metal bookmark, these are the two that like did it for me. So my question to you guys is, did you like this box? If you did, let me know down below in the comments. And until the next book chat, see you guys next Wednesday for books. I should say that for those who don't know, the PVC sale is this week. So don't forget. I'll leave links down to that down below. And until the next time, guys, bye.